Action 10 Chief Meteorologist Sharon Ray with your Doppler 10 weather forecast.
And this week looks pretty unsettled. You will want to keep the umbrella handy. It's going to rain quite a bit on and off this week, and keep an eye on the weather. There could be some bigger storms coming in at times and heavy rainfall. Well, we did get that good soaking this past weekend, and the sky has been beautiful. Take a look at this weather photo taken by Connie Dubose of Portland. She calls this the stairway to heaven. You see those rows of clouds that seem to lead up into the sky, those stratocumulus rolls there, including a beautiful sunset that she captured in the Portland area. Just lovely. All right, more rains in the forecast each day. The coastal bend, someplace in the coastal bend is going to get some rain. There is a storm chance each day, becoming more likely by Wednesday. Heavy rain is likely, and that could lead to some flooding. We're going to have to watch that. Plus, as we get into the weekend, we continue in an unsettled pattern. It looks like we could see some tropical moisture moving in this weekend to keep the showers and thunderstorms going. So what about tomorrow? Well, tonight and tomorrow there may be a few storms around, most of those in our northern counties. I'm going to show you that here in a second. And it's going to be very warm, windy, and humid tomorrow. The chance of rain is more isolated tomorrow, with temperatures reaching 86 degrees in Corpus Christi, with all that wind feeling like 94 and hitting 90 to 93 in our inland areas. So very warm, very humid for your Tuesday, and there is the potential we could see a thunder shower. Now, we do have, you see that area of light green? That indicates a severe storm, the severe storm potential. We have a marginal risk tomorrow that there could be an isolated storm with damaging wind or large hail. Now, when we get into Wednesday, that chance continues as well for all of the coastal bend. So we'll have to keep an eye on any stronger or severe storms. What is most likely is the heavy rain, and the excessive rainfall risk for tomorrow is slight. And notice it's in our northern counties. We have a marginal risk of excessive rainfall that could lead to flooding. But Wednesday, take a look at how that changes. Almost all of the coastal bend is in a moderate risk for excessive rainfall Wednesday and Wednesday night. That could lead to flooding. All right, so here's Doppler 10 right now. It is dry in the coastal bend. There have been thunderstorms moving through hill country right now, and it's possible that a cluster of storms will develop tonight in hill country and push to the south. Now, forecast models aren't real confident with that, but they are showing that potential that something will move south tonight. Here's an example of that. This is one of our forecast models. This is this evening, and I'll put it into motion. You see that? There's the potential we could see some storms, especially in Live Oak and Bee County. So if you live north from, let's say, Beeville, George West, down to Sinton, perhaps Refugio, you might get some storms tonight with heavy rainfall, and we'll have to watch for anything that could be stronger. Those will likely weaken as they go to the south tomorrow, but there is the potential we could see a shower or a thunder shower during the day tomorrow. Tomorrow night and Wednesday morning, we're going to see the same thing happen. We'll have to keep an eye to our northern counties early Wednesday, and then watch for this line of showers and storms to move to the coastline by late afternoon. Timing could change on this, but Wednesday's the day it looks more likely that we will see the storms with the heavy rain before those move out Wednesday night. And then we have periods of rain Thursday and Friday. The chances do continue as we head into the weekend. Potential future rain. In the next 7 days, we have the potential of 3 to 6 inches, locally some higher totals, so heavy rain is expected this week. The reason why is we have this big upper level wave. You see it moving in, that's that big blob of red you're seeing there. This upper level low moves right over the top of our very moist atmosphere for Wednesday and Thursday. So that'll increase our rain chances. Watch what happens as we head into the weekend. We start to see the opposite. It starts coming in from the Gulf, and the next upper wave pushing across the area this weekend could give us more scattered to numerous showers and storms with that tropical moisture. So we may be doing some pretty good catching up on our rain totals this week, but we're also going to have to keep our eyes out for flooding and severe storms. There's a look at your 7-day forecast then. Temperatures do come down, of course, with any of the rain that moves through in the middle of the week, going back up a bit Friday as it looks a little drier Friday. But then as we get into the weekend, I think we'll see scattered showers and storms once again. We'll have to watch for that tropical moisture. Greg?